Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Brittany of BrittanyJJones.com. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome to the channel. I hope that you will like what you see and subscribe below for more. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all everything that I made in January. I have 4 garments to share, which was a surprise to me. I didn't realize I made 4 things. So I was really happy about that. That's one thing a week. Before I get started though, I do want to shout out my friend Faith. I'm rocking one of her hoodies here. She just recently started her business, Busy Minding My Purpose. That's what the hoodie says. She has other products too, t-shirts and hoodies. If you're interested, I have a link down in the description box. You can go check out her site, see what other colors that she has in her shop, and just go and support. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that I made in January was I made McCall's 8449. I'm really excited because all of these things that I made has a video to it. So if you want to sew along with this dress, I will put the video link right here. You can go check that out. It'll also be in the description box. But this is just a pullover dress. It's a shirt dress. It's by McCall's. Again, the number is 8449. I made mine out of a poplin, so it's like a really crisp fabric, and it's great for spring and summer. The dress comes with the sash. I made view C. That's the view that I made and the view that I also did the video for. It has a little button placket. So yeah, I am going to be popping up videos or either photos here for you all to see. But this was a quick and easy project. I really did enjoy it. I love that it has pockets along the side. But I would probably most likely give this dress to my mom. It's more of my mom's style. I made it because I had to do the sew along for it. So it's more of a work project for me. So I'll probably pass this off to my mom. I know she will enjoy it and get more wear out of it than I will. But yeah, the first thing that I made in January was McCall's 8449. The second thing that I made in January, I made another version of my Know Me pattern, my new Know Me 2063. These photos here on the envelope, I think I took these back in probably June of last year. So that's how far in advance we work in terms of making patterns and photographing and things like that. So these are still in my closet. I still love these. I'll probably keep the brown one that I made in the sew along just because it's a solid, it's a neutral. I mean, the pink is solid too, but it's more, earthy, browny, neutral. I like that. But yeah, again, another video is available for this one. I love, love, love this jumpsuit. I hope that you all have made it and that you enjoyed making it too and that you like the pattern as much as I love it. But yeah, this was the second thing that I made. I made another version of my pattern. Again, this is Know Me 2063. And this is it right here. I haven't photographed it yet because, again, I've already photographed it in other fabrics. But I made this one out of a tinsel. It's really nice. It's really soft. It drapes beautifully. And so, yeah, I'll probably get some wear out of this coming up in spring and summer. Like I said, I made the short version. So I'm looking forward to pairing this with some nice slides or some sneakers. But the second make of January. Okay, the third thing that I made in January was the iconic vintage pattern reproduction of the DVF Vogue wrap dress. Simplicity recently released from the archives the DVF wrap dress to celebrate 50 years of the wrap dress. I believe the pattern came out 2 years after like the wrap dress big launch and reveal. So yeah, they went ahead and released it to celebrate 50 years of it. The pattern number is V2000 and I made this one in a red. Show you here. I thought it'd be great since Valentine's Day is approaching. So yeah, I went with red. I made it out of a red texture knit, so it has kind of like a little raised texture on it. It was really nice. I like the weight of that knit as well. The dress was really, now this is the first time I made a vintage pattern. So the instructions are the originals. So it takes a little getting used to since, I'm a little bit more modern as far as the instructions are laid out. Even how they're laid out is different. In the original, they kind of go like, side to side, if you know what I'm talking about, So they kind of go side to side in the original as far as like right beside the illustration. So that took a little getting used to. But overall, great dress. Love it. This is probably also one that I would pass down to my mom. Just let her, take it. It's more, I won't say more her style, but the cuffs isn't really my style. But I made the cuffs because, hello. It's on the pattern. You kind of want to sew it how the pattern is, since it's a bit launch around her wrap dress. So I kept the cuffs on, but they ain't really my style. For that purpose, I will probably give the dress to my mom because you all know I love wrap anything. Wrap skirt, wrap top, wrap dress, give me all the wrap stuff. But for this one, I'll probably pass it on to her. But again, that was the third thing that I made. My voice is getting raspy. Can y'all hear that? I am almost fully recovered. I don't know what is going on, but my voice kind of gets a little wonky. But anyway, that's the third thing that I made in January. You all let me know if y'all got this pattern. This pattern was buzzing. It's still buzzing. People are like getting their orders and making it now. So it was a lot of hype around the pattern, but y'all let me know if y'all got it. Let me know in the comments. The last thing that I made in January was this McCall's dress right here, McCall's 8448. I made this toward the end of January, and I just wanted to kind of start sewing a little bit more for Valentine's Day, so I made it in a red lightweight jersey knit. But yeah, this is a super quick and easy pattern. Like once you sew the front, like you sew 1, 2, and 3, then you sew the back. You sew 4, 5, and 3 again, because pattern piece 3 is the lower front and back piece. So it's the front and back. So you cut out 2 of those. But once you connect 1, 2, 3 on the back too, it's super easy. So if you're looking for a nice, easy dress that kind of packs a big bang, especially if you make it in a color blocking fabric or in some stripes like they have here on the model, quick and easy, and you make a statement, because I love how they have it all cut. It's really, really cute. So yeah, I made this one too. Also a sew along available on my YouTube channel for it if you are interested. Well, that is all that I made in the month of January. You all let me know in the comments if you got the Vogue pattern and if you were able to get some sewing done in January. Like I said, I made 4 things, and as I'm looking at February, I'm kind of on track to make 4 things for this month. I have a hoodie, not a hoodie, I have a sweatshirt right now on my cutting table that I'm almost done with. I just need to attach the cuffs and the bands. I'm going to be filming the Sew It Academy course this month, so that's going to be another project. I really want to make some jeans, and I really want to make a Vogue jumpsuit. Let me see if I have it over here. This pattern right here, I have the buckle, I have the zipper, and I have fabric here for it. So this, I definitely want to make this one really, really soon. I'm hoping I can get to it in February. So that's kind of what I'm working on right now. Sweatshirt, the Sew It Academy course. I want to make some jeans using my pattern ME 2002, and then this jumpsuit. Yes. Well, thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, let me know down below, and I will see you all in the next one. Blessings, everyone. Bye.